Attention Warren County, the December real estate market is flipping scripts and fewer homes are selling, listings are lingering longer, and prices are holding firm. Are you ready for the surprising stats that could change the game in your real estate? Well, let's dive in. Hello there, Warren County, Kentucky. December's here and the real estate market is giving us a lot to talk about. Whether you're buying, selling, or just curious, I've got the latest data to help you navigate this ever-changing market. If we haven't met yet, hi, I'm Melissa Albert with the Living in Kentucky team brokered by eXp Realty. Now let's break down those numbers so you can make the best moves possible. Active listings and inventory. Well, as of today, there are 634 active listings on the market. This increase is giving buyers even more options to choose from. And it's great news if you're in the market to buy. You've got choices. However, pending sales are down to 159, signaling a slight cool down as the holidays approach, which is typical for this time of year. Now, if you're a seller, just know things are moving slower around the holidays, but buyers that are looking are serious. And in the last 30 days, 89 homes sold, which translates to about 55% of homes listed in November. While fewer homes are moving, those that do close are still closing strong. One big shift to note, the average days on market have climbed to 94, with the median at 85. With the election in November and coming into the holidays, sellers can prepare for homes to take a little longer to sell. Now let's talk numbers. The average list price sold for homes was $354,000, while the average sales price was slightly lower at $345,000. Median list and sales prices were $309,000 and $305,000 respectively. This consistently shows buyers are still willing to pay near asking prices for well-priced homes, as evidenced by the list to sales price ratio holding steady at 97.65%. So what does this mean for you? Well, buyers, you've got time and choices. With homes lingering a little longer on the market, you might have room to negotiate for a better deal. And for sellers, while the market is slower, pricing your home strategically and preparing it for the spotlight can still get you close to your asking price. And one more thing to note, if you're aiming to sell early in the new year, now is the time to get your home ready. So whether you're looking to buy, sell, or just stay informed, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. If you're curious what your home is worth in today's market, don't hesitate to reach out for a free market evaluation. And hey, if you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell below to be notified as more real estate tips and lifestyle information is published here in South Central Kentucky. And together, let's make your next move a winning one.